Hi. I had a mud pack recently, about a month ago, where I was explaining to Dina and Andre that my vision was a bit blurry. And I didn't know that we could even do a mud pack to make the effort to improve my vision as a consequence of it. And I gave it a try, and I was surprised that soon after I had something called pinhole reader glasses that allowed me to focus through a small hole in an otherwise clear plain lens that forced my eye to focus on letters and numbers, and lately those letters and numbers had been very blurry. But after the mud packing, I tried it again and I found that the numbers had cleared up. The numbers, the letters were now sharper, like they used to be 10 or 15 years ago when I first tried using these types of glasses. I don't wear prescription glasses of any kind. I've always been reluctant to use them, thinking my vision would only get worse and weaker over time. So I was very happy, surprised that my vision cleared up some, enough so that it was noticeable to me. And I can read some things without the use of any kind of glasses at all, either the pinhole readers or even those magnifying type glasses that you get out of office supply stores, let's say. If the lighting is good, so things are a little bit better. So I come back for another mud pack, and I'm hoping for even better results still.